Hello everyone, this is episode 1 of our weekly stock market news edition. First news is crude oil output cut was announced by OPEC Plus, because of which price of crude oil is increasing. Then gold price touched a new lifetime high of rupees 61,181 this week. Then we have World Trade Organization who said that global trade may grow by 1.7% in 2023. Point to be noted here is that World Trade Organization is talking about global trade and not India specific trade. There is a positive news about Indian rupees, which is India and Malaysia can now trade in Indian rupees. We had RBI Monetary Policy Committee meeting this week, and interest rate are same 6.5%. Because of crisis in banking industries all over the world, this decision was taken by RBI to pause the interest rate at 6.5%. Then we have industry specific news related to automobile, which is automobile retail sale is up by 14% in March. And then direct tax collection is up by 17.63%. It is now 16.61 trillion rupees for financial year 2022 and 23. GST collection is up by 13% to 1.6 lakh crore rupees for March 2023. There are stock specific news. Geo raised $2 billion forex loan this week, and DMart revenue is up by 20% in quarter 4, and store count is up by 18 in number. So now total store count is 324. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit like button. If you don't like it, you can dislike. Do consider to share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Tata, bye bye. We will meet next. We'll meet again in next video.